traffic jam in the water.
We are spending 24 hours in a floating house in Kerala's backwaters.
This is Alappuzha.
We are in a double-story houseboat with a jacuzzi. Because why not? Alappuzha, also known as Alleppey, is the houseboat capital of Kerala. Think of it as the gateway to this floating world.
This is our ride for the day. Ride, stay, lunch spot, jacuzzi retreat, and possibly our floating therapist.
Kettuvallams, or traditional houseboats, are unique to Kerala's backwaters. The word literally means boat made by tying together, built without a single nail, just coil ropes and wood. These boats come with bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, and even chefs on board. It's like a boutique hotel on water. Once upon a time, these boats, called Kettuvallams, weren't for leisure. They were Kerala's ancient cargo ships, and they used to carry everything: rice, spices, coconut. Today, they carry something even more precious: tourists escaping spreadsheets. Kerala's backwaters are a network of over 900 kilometers of canals, rivers, and lakes stretching along the Arabian Sea coast. It's a world where the land and water live together. Lunch is served: banana leaf, rice, sambar, thoran, avial, and crunchy papadam that deserves a solo. Meals on board are freshly prepared in traditional Kerala style, usually by a local chef. Kerala doesn't do light lunches, it does love on a plate.
We are now in a chase between houseboats. This guy just overtook us. Did you know that these houseboats have license, number plates, and horn?
Yes, it's a floating traffic scene out here, just a lot calmer. Quick pit stop. You see these giant prawns? That's dinner. There is something so satisfying about pointing at a fish and saying,
"You're going to be my dinner."
most houseboat journeys follow a slow route through the Wayanad Lake and narrow canals, offering glimpses of village life, children walking to school, fishermen casting nets, and women washing clothes on stone steps. And just like that, it rains. Rain is common here, especially during the monsoon months. It comes and goes without much fuss. Pause and slow down? No, we hop onto a country canoe. Think of it as Kerala's version of a convertible.
It feels like we are sliding through someone's backyard.
Life here is slow and beautiful. Evenings here are the magic hour. It's the perfect time to do nothing. Just be. Now, back on board, we get to work. Fish gets marinated with chili, turmeric, and all the good stuff. Wrapped up like the best present in a banana leaf and straight to the pan. And that smell? That's pure Kerala seduction.
എല്ലാ ഫുഡും നമ്മൾ ഇവിടുത്തെ കിച്ചണിൽ തന്നെ ഫ്രഷായി ഉണ്ടാക്കി സർവ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എല്ലാ ഗസ്റ്റിനും അങ്ങനെയാണ് പോകുന്നത്.
Morning arrives soft on the waters. No alarm clocks, just birds and breeze.
And a hot cup of tea in your hand, water all around you. Almost makes you wonder, why don't we all live on board? Our 24 hours are up, but something stays. Maybe it's the calm, maybe it's the rhythm of the water, maybe it's the taste of that fish fry. Either way, Alappuzha, you were a dream. Until next time, float on.